Hello everyone, this is Bill from Honani Market Machinery. Today I'm coming to Lagos of Nigeria. Behind me is the 110 PL right-hand double screw fixed production line. Next, let me introduce the whole line to you. Okay, follow me. The whole line contains 7 systems. First of all, is our pressure system. As you can see, here we have two kinds of pressure. The first pressure is mainly used for coarse powder, another mainly for fine powder. So that means when you want to produce the fixed about 2 millimeters, you have to use this pressure. But if you want to make the fixed below 1 millimeter, you have to use this fine pressure. And here is also prepared with the double collection machine to avoid the dust in your factory. And then follow me next. The second is our mixing system. The pressurized raw materials will be transported to the mixing bin and then go into the mixer. And then going to the mixer, it can mix evenly by the mixer. From this place, we can get the mixed powder raw materials. And the third system. The third system is our pelleting system. The mixed raw materials will be transferred to our double screw extruder by the elevator and pelleted by the high temperature speed, the high temperature scooping through two-layer modulator. And then this machine is mainly used for production like 0.5 millimeter to 12 millimeter PV, both floating and sinking PV. Just the big formula, you can get the floating PV or sinking PV. That's very easily. Okay, next. The first system is our dryer system. The product fixed will be transferred to the dryer through the stealth conveyor. And the moisture in the fixed will extract by the high temperature steam, and basically which will reduce the moisture content to 10% for about 10%. So that means you can keep your fixed a long time and no need to go back. So next, follow me. The fixed system is our seasoning system. The thread fixed will be transferred to our seasoning bucket. Seasoning bucket, it can even spray oil or seasoning to add flavor to the fixed, so making it easier to attract the fixed meat. So that's why we have this machine, how we have this seasoning machine. And next, okay. Next is our cooling system. You know, the thread fixed temperature is a little high. Basically, it's around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. And after the cooling, it can reduce it to room temperature in a very short time. So you can pack your fixed directly. And then the last system, the last one, we equip with one automatic packing spill, which can set the weight to be packed and weigh it accurately. And after that, you can fill it directly. You can fill it to the bag directly. So let me show you. So this is our final product. It's 60 millimeter. So let me show you, it's floating. Go this way. As you can see, 100% floating. So that's our whole 110 PL right-hand double screw fixed production line. If you also interested in Philippines, welcome to contact us. We are here. We supply the best service and and that's after sales. We are in Nigeria. We are here. We are Lima Feed Machinery. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.